Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, children, welcome back again to Maths Online class, and we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 8, Measurement, and the topic is weight. Children, today in this video, I will explain you conversion of kg and gram. So, there are two questions. The first question is how we have to convert into gram, and the second question how we will convert into kg. So let's start with the first question. Children, whenever we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we will multiply. So here also we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, means we have to convert kg into gram. So first sum is 7 kg. For that we will write the formula as I explained you earlier, that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So first we will write 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. And children, here we have given to us 7 kg. So we will write 7 kg is equals to 1000 multiplied by 7, because we have changing bigger unit into smaller unit. So we will multiply. So 1000 into 7 will be 7000 gram. So in this way we will change bigger unit into smaller unit. The second one, 4 kg. Again we will write the formula that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So how much kg is there? 4 kg. So 4 kg is equals to 1000 into 4, and that is 4000 gram. Now we come to the third sum, 6 kg and 400 gram. See children, here two things have been given to us, kg also and gram also. So first we will convert kg into gram. So we will write the again formula that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. How much kg? 6 kg. So write down 6 kg equals to 1000 into 6, that will be 6000. Now children, we have given to us 400 gram more. So put the sign of plus and write down 400 more. Now children, 6000 plus 400. The answer will be 6400 gram. How we will multiply? Write down 6000, then 400. Put the sign of plus. 0 and 0 will be 0. 0 and 0 will be 0. 0 and 4 will be 4 and 6. So the answer is 6400 gram. Next sum, 2 kg and 750 gram. Again write the formula that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So children, 2 kg is equals to 1000 multiplied by 2. That will be 2000. Now plus what else we have given to us? 750. So 2000 plus 750, the answer will be 2750 gram. Clear children? Now we come to question number 2, convert into kg. Now this is smaller unit and we have to change into bigger unit. When we have to change smaller unit into bigger unit, so we will divide. Okay. Again we will write the formula. Sum is 7000 gram. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. How much gram has been given to us? 7000 gram. So 7000 upon 1000. This 0 cut by this 0. This 0 cut by this 0. This 0 cut by this 0. What answer remains? 7. So 7 kg is the answer. See, here we have divided smaller unit into bigger unit. So we have done division. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 7000 will be 7000 upon 1000. We have cut 0 by 0 and the answer will be 7 kg. Now the next sum, that is 5000 gram. Again we will write the formula that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. How much gram it is? 5000 gram equals to 5000 upon 1000. Again we will cut 0 by 0, this 0 by this 0 and this 0 by this 0. What answer remain? 5. So the answer will be 5 kg. Next one, sum is 2000 grams. Again write the formula that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So children, 2000 equals to 2000 upon 1000. 0 by 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 0. What will be the answer, children? 2 kg. Children, if you will not write this, it is not important to write this also. You can directly put the sign of equal and write down 2000 upon 1000 as I have written in the first sum. Now again fourth one, again write the formula that 1 kg equals to 3000 gram. So 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. 3000 equals to 3000 upon 1000. Cut 0 by 0 and the answer will be 3 kg. So children, it is clear. I hope you all have understood both the question, how you have to convert into gram and how you have to convert into kg. Children, please remember, again I am saying that whenever we have to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to do multiply. And when we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we will divide. So I hope it is clear to you both the sum. Now children, related to this, you have to do the exercise which I have uploaded in Pocket Study app. So that's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.